Alright y'all, we got a 2015 Peterbilt 389 sleeper truck, 72-inch sleeper. Cummins ISX 15, 525 horsepower, 1,850 pound-feet of torque. If you can't pull it with this, y'all, you probably don't need to hook to it. 10-speed EATON, cruise control, engine brake, Michelin rubber on the back, sliding fifth wheel, got the red half fenders to match the truck, dual tanks, dual exhaust. Ain't nothing quite like a pretty red Peterbilt, y'all. £12,000 front, 38K rears, air ride suspension, air ride seat, 572 on the miles, 9,900 hours. Got DIFF lock. Switch between your tanks, cruise, engine brake. Nice truck. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power everything. Y'all getting your truck, power it up, and come on down here to Southern Equipment and check this truck out. 13601 Highway 45, North Finger, Tennessee. Oh. Sorry y'all, ain't focusing. SouthernEquipmentLLC.com is our website. As always, we thank you for watching our videos and look forward to you coming to see us.